From January 2021, companies are obliged to submit information to ECHA's SCIP database. If you are affected by this requirement and are running SAP, you may ask yourself how to collect all of the needed information from your SAP system, convert it to the prescribed format, make sure the quality is right, and transfer the notifications to the ECHA database correctly. And you need to find a cost-effective solution that keeps up with all the regulatory, engineering, and supply chain changes, that fits your company's IT strategy and system landscape, and ensures a single source of truth. Sounds like a lot, but there is a perfect solution for that. Say hi to opesus EPN, the most effective SCIP reporting solution for SAP customers. opesus EPN is an SAP extension leveraging native SAP integration into your company's already established logistics processes and product data. It provides the end-to-end process of creating dossiers and submitting notifications directly from your SAP ERP to the ECHA SCIP database. Your business information is protected by generalizing confidential or sensitive data points concerning your supply chain or product's assembly. And opesus EPN handles all the complexities of the Euclid format for you. Process automation ensures ongoing compliance by reacting to regulatory, engineering, and supply chain changes. A clever monitoring functionality lets you easily keep track of who sent what data when, and gives you a clear audit trail of when changes were made. So you always have the latest compliance status of submitted SCIP notifications. In bigger companies with a lot of SCIP notification obligations, opesus EPN lets you efficiently address gaps in available master data via Excel. And it allows you to easily use the same SCIP notification across several legal entities. We at opesus have deep expertise in Euclid reporting and work closely with ECHA, SAP, and our customers to ensure EPN remains aligned to changing requirements. Our maintenance package keeps you up to date with Euclid's biannual releases, ECHA's SCIP format changes, and SAP's updates to ERP and product compliance solutions. Join more than 100 customers worldwide already using opesus EPN software and fulfill your SCIP reporting obligations efficiently. Contact us today at www.opesus.com.